This is the Panathenaic Stadium. Panathenaic Stadium, a very historical site in the world. It's a place you surely want to visit when you come to Greece. Panathenaic Stadium. The first Olympic Games took place in this stadium. It's a very beautiful stadium, by the way. So, as part of my tour of Greece, I'm glad to be here today. Yo, this is nice. Visit the stadium when you come to Greece. Panathenaic Stadium. You don't want to miss to see this place when you come to Greece. You see, I'm so happy to be here today because it's a place I really wanted to visit when I came to Greece. The Panathenaic Stadium, one of the most important places to visit when you come to Greece. It's a place you don't want to miss to visit when you come to Greece. So I'm standing right in the stadium right now, and I'm glad today I visited the stadium. Wow, what a stadium. Welcome to Greece. Come to see the stadium in Greece. Very interesting. Yo, this is the Panathenaic Stadium. Yo, I climbed up. A wonderful place to visit in Greece. Make sure you come to Greece and you see the stadium. Okay? So wonderful. Job Lazarus is in Greece. Panathenaic Stadium. Yo, stadium tour. Yo. Job Lazarus is in Greece. Woo! So glad to be in Greece, guys. Oh my God. So glad. Greece. So this is my tour of the Panathenaic Stadium in Athens, Greece. It's a stadium you surely want to visit when you come to Greece. It's a historical site. A lot of people come from different parts of the world to see. So you surely want to come and see this place when you come to Greece. This is Job Lazarus Okello from Uganda, and I'm glad to be in Greece, and I'm glad to see the stadium. I read about it before coming here, and I really wanted to be here, so I'm glad today I'm here. The dream came to pass, and I am seeing the stadium. Yo. Up. Climbing up. Yo. Climbing up. Job Lazarus Okello in Greece. my mission to Greece, yo. Yeah, I am up. So you come and see the stadium right over there. There. It's a nice stadium, okay? Panathenaic Stadium, Greece.